CBS News legal analyst Rikki Klieman joins us at the table. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Rikki. So much to sort through. You know, Jeff was telling me there was a big gasp in the courtroom when Sean Hannity's name was revealed, and last night on his show, he seemed to be having a what had happened was moment. But when we look at all of this, whether Sean Hannity was a client or not is really not the crux of this story right here.
No, it's not. I think the thing that's interesting about Sean Hannity is more interesting to us as journalists, because it is highly unethical for him to rail against this raid of Michael Cohen's office when he knows that he's been a person who at least has contacted Michael Cohen for legal advice or real estate advice. So there may be documents that were seized that are Sean Hannity's. How could you possibly go on air and not disclose that?
So what was at issue? And we hear this phrase, attorney-client privilege, thrown around by everyone. Would you sort that for us? What is and what isn't attorney-client?
I would be happy to do that because there has been so much misinformation on TV about this. The attorney-client privilege is abundantly clear. If a person seeks legal advice from a lawyer and the lawyer communicates with that person what they say or what documents they may exchange as a communication about legal advice is privilege. Now, when does the privilege go away? Well, if there's a third party in the room, if they disclose the information to someone else, they've waived the privilege. But most important here, if the documents, because we're talking about documents here, or any communication is involved in a crime or fraud where the lawyer is involved, the privilege is pierced. It is gone. And of course, that's what's at issue here.
Any sort of at least temporary win for Michael Cohen in the sense that I know they wanted to go through all of the documents seized themselves. The judge said no. The prosecutors wanted a taint team to come in. The judge said no to that either. The judge said that you're going to have a special master come in.
Perhaps.
Tell us what a special master is.
What we have here is really delay. What we have from Kimber Wood as a judge is to say she is going to consider whether a taint team from the government or a special master will review these documents. Meanwhile, the government indexes them digitally. They give them a copy of that to Michael Cohen, so he'll be happy. But Michael Cohen and President Trump are not going to decide what is privileged here. Ultimately, either a taint team, a special master, and a court will make that decision.
Yes or no? Was it a win for Michael Cohen? Back to her question yesterday.
Partial. He gets delay. Delay is always a win of the defendant or the target.
I'm sure he will take it, even if it's partial. Rikki, thank you.